Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre from the YouTube channel JREKML. Your boy still going, my God. How many years I've been doing this? Too long. Too many groups to see, too many groups debut. One group that I feel like I've been checking out here and there, whether it be on to my Twitch live streams or my Patreon, which you should be checking out my Patreon. Go check it out. Follow. It's free. But also you can subscribe for $1 to support your boy. I also got to know them a little bit more randomly at the ISAC. I know some of the members I got to see while watching Island. I don't know if you remember those days where I was watching that. My God, I went through it. I'm retired from watching survival shows. They give me too much stress. But without further ado, back to life. The fire.
They called me a monster.
Why? What did you do?
Am I a monster?
Serve? Slay? Oh, are we? Girl, don't bring me into this. Unless you're gonna bring me back to life. One thing I learned about watching them on ISAC, they're hella fast. They're hella athletic too. Ooh. Whoa, backwards though. Life to back. Oh, they carrying his ass. Oh. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, this looks gritty, dirty, muddy, but they so clean. What's up, Kay? Ooh. We got a little bit of a weekend vibe. Ooh, the slow-mo shots? The 50 dancers or something like that? Ooh, is that a pause? Or did my thing freeze? Oh, it literally did freeze.
Later.
My internet said they couldn't handle Anteen. My God. He said, wait, hold up. I can't keep up with this. This is so epic. Whoa. Oh, that. Oh, Mama, behind you. Behind you. Ooh. Yeah. What's up? He's grown up so much. Sorry, I thought I heard a noise. I looked behind me. I got scared. That was that thing behind him. Ooh. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, backwards. Oh, bro, the production on this. Oh my God. Oh, they better not get hit. Hey, someone bring it back to life. Ooh. Bring me back to life. Huh. I like it. I love his hair. I don't know why. He looks so good. He buff as hell. What the hell? Why that bus kind of do remind me of? You know, it's okay. Ooh. Oh, what happened? Oh no, is he turning? Oh, ew! Oh my God, that's creepy. Venom! The production in this is crazy. Bring me back to life. Wow. Now, if I'm not mistaken, oh, he's sweaty. I know he had a fever dream. Oh, your boy was there. Damn, you live in this establishment? Is this how much you pay for rent here? It better be like 2 pennies. Oh, he running. Oh, that's it for real? Oh, that look back though. Don't look back. Don't look back like that. Oh. He got something up his sleeve. Great directing, great editing, by the way. Period. Is that it? Oh, and then this is a webtoon, if I'm not mistaken, because they do that a lot. So there's like, if you want like more lore about Antine and a lot of the other Hybe, I guess a lot of Hybe group. I know TXT has something. Doesn't Hype have something too? BTS had a webtoon too. Is this a webtoon? Put a comment down below. Let me know. Tell me what you guys think about Back to Life. Antine, my goodness. Production was hella high. Now, I'm not up to date with Antine lore. If someone could give me a Cliff Notes version in the comments down below, I'll thank you. I would like to get to know that. Or I could just get my lazy ass to read. But your boy doesn't want to read for... Like, I like to read in short spurts. I'm not a long reader. You know what I'm saying? Short reader. Alright, y'all, put a comment down below what you guys think of Back to Life by Antine. Let me know who your fave is. What's your favorite song from Antine? I feel like I need to tap back into Antine. There's so many groups out nowadays that I get confused here and there. So when people's like, you don't remember reacting to that? Like, I don't. Sometimes it can become a blur. I've been doing this for way too long that I'm like, Antine has been killing it throughout the years. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. It's your boy Dre. Be sure to check out the Patreon. Check me out on Twitch, Discord, Instagram, TikTok. I'm everywhere. If you want more fun content, I did post a video of me thirsting it twice at 3 a.m. on my second channel, Dre Day. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now.